hear that you're applying for the post of a secretary.
Secretary. Yes, sir.
Okay, so can I meet you?
Meet me, sir. I don't understand you. You shouldn't be meeting me. I'm already here. Can't they tell me to meet you? Let me do that guy to our house soon. Meet me.
Okay, please, what's your name?
Sir, you mean waiting in my names? Because I get plenty names.
Go ahead.
My name is Peace Uzondu. Ezihe Ifunanya. No, Peace Uzondu. I need to explain that for you now. I need make you not make mistake. Now I try to.
Hey! Okay, so please, what are your qualifications?
Qualification. I like to jog, run.
That's not what I'm saying. I mean, what are your qualifications?
Okay, You mean quantitative and verbal?
God, I'm not saying quantitative and verbal. I mean, God, what certificates you have?
Oh, now what do you mean? Wow, thank you. Make a write down.
I'm not telling you to write anything down. What certificates do you have? Just tell me, please.
Okay, When I did primary school, I was the best in my class. As I finished primary school, I come out with my BS. Sir, no, don't be saying I did end. I can't go to secondary school now. I can't get my first leaving certificate. Come they go. Come enter university. I just say I go just fail or flunk. See you. I can't get my own level.
Wow. You got your first degree in your primary school.
I made a joke. Yeah.
Okay, so please, what can you offer this company?
It's a pure fauna. Imenina. I sabi sweep. I can clean. I don't even do any work before. Even the place I work last year. The man had to sack his wife and employ me. Make me the manager, as in CEO, the entire company. Even you say, because stop your work, you go let me become as in managing director. What you say you be? I go come. What I go be now?
So you're saying I will leave my job for you?
Of course, now. As in I'm a good person, and that's why you go just because of you just say this girl, she's a problem. That's why you don't. This is why I don't the work.
Wow. Okay, so you have the job already, eh? You have the job.
Thank you, sir.
You have the job.
Thank you, sir.
You have the job. Thank you. Look at your dreamland. Your dream. In your dreamland. So they will sack me and give you my job.
I'm very, very good, sir.
You that have BS in your primary school. What's living certificate in your university?
That's a lie.
Outside.
I'm good at my job.
Outside.
Get out right here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Sir.
Out.
Sir.
Out.